Hi, welcome to Physics Teacher, the channel that prepares you for the Waterloo Math and Science contest. This is a grade 7 math Gauss contest question, where knowing the perimeter of this large triangle ABC and the perimeter of a smaller triangle ABM, can you find out the length of AM? Give it a try, and I'll be right back with the solution. Alright, so first it's saying the triangle ABC has a perimeter of 64. So that's A to B, which is the same length as A to C, and then B to M, which is the same length as M to C. So in this perimeter ABC, we have two long lengths plus two short lengths. Now what about the triangle ABM as 40? In that triangle, here we have one long length, one short length, and then AM, which is the one we're looking for. Well, if ABC consists of two long and two shorts, and ABM consists of one long and one short, plus AM, then we can say this AB plus BM is the same as 1/2 the perimeter of ABC, which is 64. And that'll give us 32. So A to B and B to M give us 32. Now the perimeter of ABM is going to therefore be 32 plus this length AM. And that is going to equal 40. And therefore, if we subtract 32 from both sides, we get AM equals to 40 minus 32, or our answer being 8.